guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm with my daughter Bella.
Hi!
And we're going to show you how we just recently gave her bedroom a little mini makeover. So before we dive in, if you guys can just hit subscribe and tap the bell so you're notified every time there's a new video. We've been posting design videos every Thursday, but we've also recently added in a family vlog series as we go through the process of our home renovation. So if you want to follow along with that, make sure that you're subscribed to the channel so you don't miss any of the videos.
Make sure you like this video.
Yeah, give it a thumbs up. Okay, so Bella, tell us a little bit about the before of your bedroom. What was your concern or least favorite part about your bedroom before we made it over?
Okay, so my bedroom, I don't remember when we first bought it, but when I went away with my grandparents when I was like 6 or 7,
You were little.
they redid my room when I was gone, and when I came back, I loved it. It was like pink, and there was like a cursive scripture on the wall, and everything was pink, and it was like so cute. And then we got hardwood floors a couple years ago, which helped. But the pink was just like, no. Like,
Extra.
I love the color pink. It's like probably like one of my favorite colors, but just not for my walls. And it was a weird shade too.
It was like a peachy pink.
I also didn't have curtains. I had like this really weird
Roller
blind-
shade?
A roller shade.
A blackout roller shade.
That was just not it. And none of my accessories were like cute. So yeah, now it looks really.
So you're 15 now, and you were like, Mom, let's redo my room.
And we did.
And so tell us a little bit about what you wanted, the whole vibe and color scheme and all that. Like, what did you say this is what you wanted your room to be?
Right. Okay, I definitely wanted yellow in my room because yellow is one of my favorite colors, and it's a really happy color. It's actually like scientifically proven that if you look at the color yellow, your brain releases
Endorphins? No?
No.
Serotonin?
And you get like a little burst of happy. So now I have a big yellow wall behind me that I can look at.
And do you get a burst of happy when you look at it?
Yeah, I love this room, and I wanted it to be kind of like Boho Chic. Boho Chic?
Right, so you wanted it to be a little bit bohemian, but not so bohemian that it was not really
Bohemian.
you. That's what boho was short for.
Like Bohemian Rhapsody?
Bohemian is the style that you liked, but just little pieces of it, and the short form for bohemian is boho.
Something new.
So this is actually, Isabella's design
Yeah.
with a little bit of help from her mom.
Yes.
But really, we just tried to grab what was in her mind and bring it to life in her room. So, you ready to show them your room?
Yes.
Here we go.
Let's go. Let's go see my room. We're in my room now. This is my room. I'll show you guys. My mom did that by hand with a paintbrush. Whose paintbrush did you use?
It was an old foundation makeup brush.
Okay, we're good then. Little boho light from Home Sense. This is my little hanging plant. Naming him Jerry. And look at this little yellow clock that I found. I found this clock at Value Village for $2
Yeah, the thrift store.
right after I painted my wall, and it also matches like perfectly.
It's like perfect.
We don't use it because it's really annoying,
But it looks cute.
but it looks cute, so we kept him.
Like a little bit of a bohemian, boutique,
What other word start with bow?
I guess it's boutique, isn't it? Not boutique. So we tried to get all of those feelings to come together. She picked the color scheme. She had a huge say on everything that we brought into the room, actually. Of course, LED lights were a must.
Yes.
A must.
A must. And these ones are fun because me and my friends write songs a lot.
They do.
We write these ridiculous songs, and these ones you can put them on a little setting so it hears you. So if I like clap, it'll like change color.
Or if you turn on music, the lights will go with the beat of the music.
Yeah, you can connect it to your music. The bee's knees are all we need. The bee's knees are all we need. The bee's knees will help us see that the bee's knees are the very best knees. The bee's knees are all we need. The bee's knees are all we need. The bee's knees will help us see that the bee's knees are the very best knees. I only kept 2 of my stuffies up here because I wanted the room to have a more teenage vibe. No offense, Olivia. But I just felt like this was like my first room that was going to be like not very childish, and I felt like if there were stuffed, I have close to 40 stuffed animals probably, and I felt like if I kept them all up here then it wouldn't look as adultish, so I only kept my current favorite 2. Because this one's Colt. He has little soccer feet, and he got a little smile, and he kind of matches the room because the colors are like white, gray, and black, and yellow.
There you go.
And this one is named Phoenix. And he has a little red bow. So these are the 2 that I kept in my room. I also wanted to have my clothes on display.
A little bit of like a shop vibe.
So I can only fit between 10 and 12 pairs of shoes on these racks, which was different because I used to have my closet filled with lots and lots of shoes, so I had to put like a bunch downstairs in storage. So I had to pick like my 10 most useful shoes right now. But I tried to pick shoes that I thought were gonna like kind of go with the vibe of my room. So I have like some sneakers, basically all sneakers, and then I have 2 pairs of dressy shoes. These are actually Olivia's, don't tell her. And then my Doc Martens, because I wear these like literally almost every day.
So we needed to find a duvet cover for her, and we went to a bunch of stores, but yellow, like the spectrum of yellow feels a little bit harder to coordinate than spectrums of, say, green or blue or whatever. So we couldn't find a duvet cover that was going to really work well with the shade of yellow on her wall. And then we were scrolling through online, and she saw this one. She was like, there, that one's going to look great. So we ordered it from online, and literally it is the exact shade of yellow as her wall.
And there's gray in it, like my dresser.
Literally, she
like
picked
it's perfect.
The perfect duvet cover.
This is my really beautiful bed. It's so comfortable. Let's count my throw pillows. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is Phoenix. Hi, Phoenix. And this is Cole. Hi, Cole. This is my really cute throw blanket. See, this color yellow matches my wall. Comment below your favorite thing about my room. Maybe it's like the blanket or the dresser or the setup or something. I don't know.
With yourself.
No, I'm looking at myself through the camera in the mirror. So, I can only keep 10 pairs of
Okay, so that's Isabella's new mini makeover of her bedroom.
Oh!
so that's Isabella's bedroom makeover. Hope you guys like that.
Join us next week to see my sister Olivia's room. Very different than mine.
Very different style.
Very different.
But it's just as beautiful. So come on back next week.
Well, maybe not just as beautiful.
We'll see you next time right here at I Am Loved.